Welcome back YouTube, VSC here, Venaspis Tech, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Exynos version. I have a problem with my phone, guys. And thanks to you, I think I found a solution. So, if you do own the Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus, Note 20 series, the S10, the S20 series, or you have the S20 FE, the Z Fold, to the S21 series, guys, also the A42, A52, the Z Flip, 3 Fold 3, Galaxy A72, the Galaxy Fold, even the Galaxy M52, or also the Galaxy Tab Active 3, you might probably already installed the One UI 4.1. So maybe you have the same problem like me. So let me explain. Before I start, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Also don't forget to hit that notification bell icon, so every time I do upload a new video, you know how it goes. Guys, what is my issue with this else beautiful phone? Let me tell you. Right now, as you can just see, it is 12:28. I got off this morning with 100%, guys. Okay, so let me just go in my settings, battery and device care, all running quite fine. Still, guys, I almost lost 55% of my battery. More of the half, and it's not even 1 p.m. I don't really understood what is going on, and I do a lot of tests. I'm running the latest May AVDB update. I thought that I had some issues yesterday. I restarted the phone, but yesterday I was having my afternoon coffee, and then the phone died on me. It was like 3 p.m. So like, oh, what was going on? I was like, yeah, I wasn't able to understand. This morning, I took off 8 in the morning. And I had 100% of the battery, so the phone was on my wireless charger the whole night. And then, boom, I just used the phone for 1 hour and 40 minutes, right? 4 hours in total, but screen on time, 1 hour and 40 minutes. And most of my battery was like just going away. Still 6 hours to go, so not even been able to go a full day. I do realize I'm using the WQHD, also 120 Hz and etc. But this phone is a 5000 mAh away battery. So what I did, guys, I was sleepy, I did a screenshot and I did a community post. Let me show you. I said in my post that the battery life with the AVDB May update for the S22 Ultra Exynos 2000 is really far from great. And I didn't really analyze more, but you know, sharing is caring, so I put it there. And guys, thanks to Yosuke, thanks to this guy, I think I just found a solution. He told me what is Smart Suggestion doing in the background. You should put it in this sleep that it's a lot of battery. And then I went back to my settings and I said, like, what the hell is Smart Suggestions? I clicked that one and I saw that it already used 12% of my battery. It's really crazy, 12%. And I don't really recall turning that thing on. So in the beginning of the video I said if you own one of these multiple Samsung devices and most probably you already updated to Samsung One UI 4.1, then you most probably have the Smart Suggestions because that's apparently a feature from Samsung One UI 4.1. Now, where can we find it and see what it does? So we need to go to settings, scroll down to advanced features, and there it is, guys. There is something called Smart Suggestions. It's turned on. I don't really recall myself turning this on. I'm not sure if somehow with installing the latest ROM it was turned on. I'm not sure. But then I clicked on it and then I saw you are able to get suggestions for useful actions such as calendar events to add and messages to send based on how you use your phone. And then I realized that this, whatever tool it is, Smart Suggestions, has access to my Samsung keyboard, to my smart widgets, to my calendar, my reminders, my messages. And I was like, what the hell is going on? So guys, without any further ado, I will disable this and just go back inside the battery and show you. I started this morning 8 a.m. with 100% of a battery. It's almost 12:31 and I already lost 12% of a battery for the Smart Suggestions. Okay, and I also went inside and said maybe I'm not running the latest version, but it is already the latest version. So unless you're into the Smart Suggestion thing and you really use it and see some value in this, don't turn it off. But do you know what is better than a Smart Suggestions and a smartphone? Is actually a phone with a battery. Okay, so far I didn't really see anything, any use for myself by turning the smart suggestion on. So my advice is, if you do own one of these phones, I said in the beginning, just turn this thing off and then get back some of your battery. And I do believe I'm probably gonna get about like 12 to 20% battery, which will get me through my day, right? So smart suggestions, all right, just don't use it. I think Yosuke also recommends to put it into deep sleep. So if I'm not really getting my battery back, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find this and also put it into a deep sleep. So right now, guys, this is my advice. This is how you can win back 10, 15, 20% of your battery. So Yosuke, thank you very much. Really applause. Thank you very much again. Don't forget to subscribe to that channel, guys, and please stay safe, you and your family, until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.